Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into SOXL. We previously discussed it on our website back on Wednesday, January 24, 2024. Now, we're back with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. We wouldn't want you to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has ranked SOXL as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During these 12 days, SOXL has exceeded our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 31.83% since our initial recommendation to buy. This means an average daily return of 2.65% since it was categorized as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction as it could go either way. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is likely to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if it breaks above the top trend line at $37.58, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 89.22% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 48.21% to 89.72%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 53.05% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -29.41% to 39.99%. This suggests a price range of $26.46 to $52.47 after a year. Our latest update on SOXL reveals that the ETF price closed at $37.48 on Wednesday, marking a gain of 4.34%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, January 24, 2024, the SOXL ETF price increased from $35.92 to $37.48, resulting in a 4.34% gain. This positive trend has continued for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if this upward momentum persists or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the ETF experienced a 7.34% fluctuation, reaching a low of $36.26 and a high of $38.92. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances and has seen an overall increase of 31.88% in the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. A total of 47 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 96 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $3.60 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $38.92, while the lowest price was $12.52. Currently, the price is 3.7% or $1.44 below the 52-week high and 90.09% or $340.76 below the all-time high, which was reached on November 26, 2020, at $378.24. Let's take a look at the signals identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock will find support at the levels of $33.19 and $28.91. However, if the price falls below these levels, sell signals will be triggered. On Thursday, January 4, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 46.52% increase so far. Further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, there is also a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, and the volume is rising alongside the price. This combination serves as a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, showing a buy signal. Pivots, indicating a buy signal 14 days ago. Bollinger, generating a buy signal 29 days ago. Short-term moving average, giving a sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, signaling a buy 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, indicating a buy signal 52 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, displaying a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, showing a buy signal 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, indicating a buy signal 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. When it comes to the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $34.86 and $31.19, based on accumulated volume. It's important to note that there is some inherent risk involved when an ETF tests a support level. If the support is broken, the ETF may then fall to the next support level. In this case, if $34.86 support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $31.19 and $28.43. SOXL is known for its potential for significant intraday movement and high volatility. The Bollinger Band predicts a large range of potential price fluctuation for this ETF, placing it in the category of high risk. Over the course of the last day, the ETF experienced a $2.66 difference between its highest and lowest points, which accounts for a 7.34% variation. Looking at the past week, the daily average volatility of the ETF stands at 6.83%. Let's now explore some potential day trading levels for SOXL. When it comes to accumulated volume, there's no significant resistance above for SOXL. This suggests that the stock has the potential to move upward quickly under favorable conditions. In such a scenario, you can consider entering a position and using volume as a guide to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $34.86. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $36.26, which is a decrease of 3.26%. This ETF tends to have significant daily movements, which also means it carries a higher level of risk. The RSI 14 is currently at 87, further increasing the risk involved. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 13 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? While the SOXL ETF shows some positive signals, we do not believe it is enough to consider it a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it would be more appropriate to hold or accumulate this position while we wait for further development. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements from the last trading day and have found that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, January 25th, we anticipate SOXL to open up $0.0733 and begin trading at $37.55. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It is always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial to note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our analysis of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts by commenting below. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.